Lahi, and I tell this to every concert. Every concert I say this. Lahi, ang oras sa Ginoo sa oras nato.
Wow. Amen.
When you feel like wala na chance, wala na pag-asa, kapos na ko sa oras, kulang na, bingis, it's not for me. But then, when God tells you it's yours, it's yours.
Amen.
What's for you will always find its way to you.
Thanks, guys.
I'm saying that because if you're here tonight and kanay mong gaka-feel, let me tell you, kung parang ginasay mo ha, and when God tells you it's time, dili mo na malikayan. Above, over, and beyond. I've never imagined this to happen. 2 days sold out. 2 days sold out, limkit kay Atrium. Sa una na ako, baklay na nagod na sa gawas. Una ako kaya sa gawas sa Chief Sakit kay, dito ako una artista experience. Paggawas di mo, ilugan ka sa mga kaya sa gawas. Artista kayo mong feeling. Ito ko una training. Pero karoon here, and this is gonna take a little long, but ako gusto i-share sa inyo. For the very first time, I'm gonna share this. Our pastor is here also, Pastor Al of New Life Christian Center, Cagayan de Oro. He's also here. And I'm gonna share this. Katong time, when I was deciding, mato kaya ko Manila, itry kaya ako. Basically, lisod man. Kaya ba mo being from Mindanao, dili sa yun, mato Manila. Pagput pa lang dito, naghan kaya gastuhanan, asa ka mangitag balay, lupad pa, gasto pa lang sa aeroplano ka na palang daan, dili sa yun. But I asked God, ano ko, Lord, tagay kong science if I'm really gonna go. Dayon, tapos nag-pray ko ato. On a Sunday, that Sunday, I went to church, New Life Christian Center, church na mo dito sa Cagayan. Anak ko, maminaw ko. Then the word that time was about, sakto Domingo mo dito, no? So sakto rin akong buwan na yun. Around that time, ang preaching was about Abram. It was sa Genesis, it was Abram. And hinignan siya sa Ginoo nga, go out, get out of your tent and see the stars, and you will be the father of all nations. So mo to akong murag sign ako, oh my gosh, murag mo siguro niya ang meaning yun na kailangan din ko magawas sa kaya. Ikato nga tayo, murag okay man ko diri, mag-TV, ayos, mamaya akong career, maayos naman, steady. Pero I was in my tent. And kato nga Sunday, hignan ko, get out of your tent. Gawas sa biyan. So, I went to Manila, and then that was a sign that I was looking for. And then just lately, just like a few weeks ago, na-realize na ko, sugay kayo, 14 years after, I was telling this story to my handler, Ate Cynthia, na ko, ate, ito kasi yung isa sa mga reason na nasabi ko talagang, pupunta ako Manila and try my career. Because the word that day was, go out of your tent, see the stars. And I just realized, wow.
Bituin.
You know what I call my listeners? I call them bituin.
Bituin!
I never knew. I had no idea. Nakato na stars di ay atong time niya ginon. Karon na-experience na ako seeing you, all my betweens in front of me, and every soul out. So that's like God's little ways of telling me that you're on the right path. This is me, and I'm guiding you. So ikaw na karon, ayaw ka walang pag-asa. Again, dahil ang plano sa Ginoo sa plano mas lahigi ang oras sa oras. And in Bisaya, swerte kita, we have a very special word for that. In God's time.
Ohod!
Grabe na naatay word para na in Bisaya, we call it Tuhod.